Step 1, make sure your emergency brake is on. Step 2, prep your area. So on this 1981, all I did was simply put some cardboard in here for extra protection in case I spill it. And then I have my drip pan, oil catch pan directly up under the oil drain pan. That's
Step 3, gotta drain the oil pan. This bolt or the side socket I'm using on this particular video is gonna be a 22. Lefty loosey, righty tighty. I like to go on like this. This one's pretty loose. You want to just break it a little bit. Make sure you have your oil pan towards a little bit towards the back, because when the oil flows, it's gonna shoot out. Get your pan ready. Loosen up a little bit. Make sure you wear gloves. I'm gonna stop and put my other glove on. See, mine's about to come out a little bit already. Once you see it start to come out, you really can probably loosen up the rest by hand. So you won't be getting all your tools all the way wet. And my car's been sitting a while, so that's why it's coming out kind of slow. I did let it run for a little bit, but just like that. Set your bolt right there. Step 4, you're gonna reinsert your drain plug. Best practice, slide this over a little bit in case you got slippery hands and you drop that and you gotta go fishing for it. They do come with washers. I'm not gonna replace mine, I'm just gonna reuse it. Don't cross thread, have patience. Start hand tighten it first. Put it on there and then retighten it just enough. Locate your oil filter. Mine is on the driver's side. I've already loosened it with 2 hands. If your hands are slippery, just take your gloves off or get like a shop rag or something like that to spin it, but it shouldn't really be too much tighter than hand tight. So I've already loosened mine. I'm gonna just finish it. Go to the left, take it off. Once you get it off, you grab your new filter. And be careful, because this is gonna have oil come out as well. I'm gonna try to do this without getting oil everywhere. See, on this truck, I don't know if you can see it, but because I started to loosen it, it's actually kind of going down here and draining into there. But I'm gonna go ahead and open it up real quick so I don't get too much on me. Add your new oil. I got a funnel on here. Try to do this without spilling over. This truck takes 6 quarts. This is the first quart. I got the other 5 coming. Final step, you're gonna make sure you check your oil levels. First time you're gonna wipe it off. I can't do it with one hand, but pretty much your final last step, check your oil levels. If you're good to go, that's it. If not, add more.